I drive a Honda CR-V, and one of the things about these cars is if you haven't driven it for a while, the battery dies. So I haven't driven mine in about 3 weeks and the battery died. So I went and got this quick battery tender, and it comes with the charger and this connector, which basically works like jumper cables that you connect to your car when you need to charge it. But I don't want to have to connect and disconnect this thing all the time. So I also bought this other little piece here, this quick disconnect piece, which I'll show you how that works. So over here's my battery. This piece is the quick disconnect. So all you have to do is permanently connect it to your battery. So you just unscrew this nut, pop this little ring over the bolt, retighten the nut on that side and on this side as well. And it has a red and a black end to tell you which goes where, which is nice. And then if we trace the cord up, we can see right here where you can disconnect it. So this whole part that's permanently connected there, that will just stay in the engine and there sitting on top of the battery. And when I need to connect it, I have my connector right over here and I just plug it in.